What are today's most relevant dangers when it comes to pure dog breeding? This is breeding in separated populations. As a consequence, we have homozygotization and genetic diseases. We will go to this later. Then we have over or hypertypization, which means that we go away from the standard to emphasize some traits, causing us to forget the whole purpose of the dog. In the third point, and I think in my opinion this is maybe the most important, is overbreeding of dogs, which means that under some circumstances we produce too many dogs, without giving respect to the responsible animal protection. And as a consequence, we can clearly say that mixed breed dogs have a larger amount of these different diseases in their genetic material, and the diagnosis of these particular genes, in order to treat the disease, is a lot easier with pure breed dogs, due to the fact that we have enough genetic material that we can compare it to. And don't get me wrong, I strongly believe that this is one of the biggest hazards which we as an organization are facing. But the first step in my opinion should be that we collectively acknowledge this threat. People have been suggesting that we should start to control mating strategies, which obviously is impossible. I have a very liberal mind and have to admit that I'm against methods like these anyways. Because I think if an organization gives you advice with what dog you have to mate, this is not something that I want to support, and I'm also in disbelief that this would work in today's world. Outcrossing, as another suggested solution, is just as impossible in my opinion, and it describes the introduction of genetic material from distant population instead of breeding with dogs that are closely related.